Assalamu alaikum. So this is your question number 4. In this question, find the voltage across the 6 ohm resistor. Okay. So here you can see there are there are 3 resistors, 1, 2 and 3. And you have to calculate the voltage across this resistor. Okay. You have to calculate the voltage across 6 resistors. Suppose this is 1. Okay. You have to calculate V1. So we can apply one rule here. So this is the Qanun. Suppose there are 3 resistors. We are taking the example of 3. You can take 4, 5, 6, anything. And suppose this is your supply. Suppose this is voltage V. This is resistor R1. This is resistor R2. This is resistor R3. Okay. And voltage across resistor R1 is V1. Voltage across resistor R2 is V2. Voltage across resistor R3 is V3. Okay. So this, what is V1? V1 is the voltage across resistor R1. V2 is the voltage across resistor R2. V3 is the voltage across resistor R3. And this is your supply voltage. So what is the rule? Rule is you can directly calculate the value of V1. So what will be the V1? V1 is equal to total voltage or supply voltage multiplied by this resistor where you want to calculate the value of voltage. So it is R1 divided by sum of all the resistors, R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. In the same way you can calculate V2 also. So what will be the V2? V2 is equal to total voltage, means V multiplied by voltage across R2 multiplied by R2 divided by R1 sum of all the resistors, R1 plus R2 plus R3. In the same way we can calculate V3 also. V3 will be V multiplied by R3 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So you can use this rule. This is called voltage dividing rule, because voltage is dividing here in 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. This voltage is divided in 3 parts, V1, V2, V3. Okay. So we can calculate V1, V2, V3 by this rule. Okay. So here you can see that 3 resistors are connected in parallel. This is 6, this is 8, this is 4. Okay. All 3 resistors are connected in parallel, and this is your V. This is suppose R1, this is your R2, and this is your R3 according to this rule. So what will be the V1? V1 is equal to V multiplied by R1 divided by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. So what is V here in question? The V value of V is 18. What is R1? R1 is where you want to calculate the voltage. So we have to calculate the voltage across 6 ohm. So R1 will be 6 ohm divided by sum of all the resistors. So it will be 6 plus 8 plus 4. 6 plus 8 plus 4. Okay. So it will be 18 multiplied by 6 divided by how much? 6, I think it is 18. Okay. You just cancel out. So V1 is equal to 6 volt. Okay. So answer will be 6 volt. So this will be your answer. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. So this is very easy. You must understand this rule. This is called voltage dividing rule. Voltage dividing rule. Okay. These rule will use in your future, so please try to understand this. Okay. So this question is based on this rule. If you want to calculate the voltage across R2, you can calculate this also. So what will be the value of V2? V2 will be total voltage is 18 multiplied by voltage across 8 divided by 6 plus 8 plus 4. Okay. So in this way you can calculate the voltage across any resistor, this or this. Okay. Thank you very much.